Welcome back to All Occasion Gifts, and welcome back to the Storage Unit Chronicles. Today I'm going to show you what I've been doing in terms of the Hello Kitty Easter chairs. I have two different Easter chairs here, and I'm just going to show you what I've done. I also found this pointer that Marie was using at the Dollar Tree, so I'm going to take advantage of the pointer and show you what I've done. On this first Hello Kitty chair, we have the Mini Desk Essentials case. I have some filled Easter eggs. I have a Hello Kitty necklace. I have the Hello Kitty tumbler. I have a book bag Hello Kitty. I have the Hello Kitty Hello Kitty and Friends cosmetic set. I have the Hello Kitty Super Activity and Color sticker set. I have some bubbles. I have some crayons, and I have some chalk. I have the sunglasses and the kitty glasses case. And then on the back, I also have a coloring book. And this chair is also an umbrella chair. It comes with an umbrella. I have the rabbit ears, the coloring book, and like I say, this is an umbrella. Later on in the series, I'm going to open it up and show you what it looks like. Okay, and then on this next one, we have that same Mini Desk Essentials set, the filled Easter eggs, Easter grass, the Hello Kitty tumbler, and we have a large Hello Kitty Squishmallow. I have the Hello Kitty soft throw, sunglasses and case. I have a Hello Kitty blanket, the rabbit ears, and the Hello Kitty and Friends super sticker activity set, some crayons, and the same, we have a coloring book on the back. It also has the coloring book on the back. And then next we have the same, the Hello Kitty Desk Essentials set. We have the Easter eggs, they're filled. We have the tumbler. We have the Hello Kitty keychain tag. We have the kitty glasses case and sunglasses. We have the Hello Kitty greeter. We have the cosmic bag. We have the cosmetic bag. And we also have the Hello Kitty activity set. And we have the rabbit ears. And on the back, we have a coloring book on the back. So far, I've made several of the Hello Kitty gifts. We have the boxes, we have more chairs, we have regular Hello Kitty gifts, and I'm going to be doing some teen Hello Kitty gift baskets as well. I'm going to be doing some teen Hello Kitty Easter baskets as well. Please continue to watch as I continue with this Storage Unit Easter series. Next, I'm going to be making Stitch Easter baskets, chairs, boxes, book bags, just a little bit of everything for Stitch. And after Stitch, I'm going to be moving on to LOL. I'm going to do LOL. And I think, who do we have left after LOL? We have Care Bears. We're going to do Care Bears. So hopefully by the weekend, we'll have those already done and ready to go. And I might not be able to show you everything until I get it all ready to pack on the truck. But I'll try to get it out. I need to show you a Bluey, my Bluey concepts. And also, let's see, I did a Ninja Turtles. And there's several more that are already done and just waiting to be put together. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And stay tuned as I make more Easter and Mother's Day gifts. Thank you to my subscribers. Thank you to my new subscribers. Thanks for watching.